Hi everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week I'm gonna be teaching you 5 very useful strumming patterns. If you've been playing for a while and you're bored of playing the same strumming patterns, this is the tutorial for you. These patterns are versatile and can be used for a lot of songs. Anyway, enough with the talking. Let's get started with the first strumming pattern. The first strumming pattern of today goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, down. We've started with a very simple one, and by the way, I'm playing a G major with my left hand. So this is my go-to pattern for verses. In fact, every time I'm learning a new song and I'm playing the verse, I start with this one, and 99% of the time it works. Let's do it one more time. 3, 4, down, down, up, down. Again, down, down, up, down. Let's see how this sounds when I play With or Without You by U2. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. The next strumming pattern is this one: 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. This one works very well for pop rock songs, and in general songs or song parts where the drums are a little bit busier. Let me do it one more time. 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Again, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. For example, I use this strumming pattern where I play the chorus of Numb by Linkin Park. Listen to it. 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, and down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Now let me show you a strumming pattern that is ideal for ballads and slow songs. It goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. For example, I use this when playing Trouble for one of my previous ukulele tutorials. Anyway, let's get back to this. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. Again, down, down, up, down, down. Listen to this when I play Zombie by the Cranberries. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. The next two strumming patterns are groovier but a bit more challenging. So, strumming pattern number 4 goes like this: 3, 4, down, muted, up, muted. So for this you need to know how to mute a chord. Let me help you with that, and then we'll go back to the pattern. So when muting a chord, first of all you strum with your index, and the palm of your hand, to be precise this part over here, should rest on the strings almost at the same time, like this. As you can see, all the work comes from the right hand. In fact, the left hand is not doing anything. By the way, the muted chords are on beat 2 and 4 because they tend to be the strong beats. Let's go back to the pattern. So it goes like this: 3, 4, down, muted, up, muted. Again, down, muted, up, muted. This pattern works very well for pop songs, soul songs, in general songs that want a little bit of extra groove. For example, I use this when I play Love on the Weekend by John Mayer. Listen to it. 3, 4, down, muted, up, muted. Down, muted, up, muted. now with the fifth and last strumming pattern. This is definitely the most challenging one for today. This one is ideal for funky and hip hop songs. So it goes like this: 3, 4, down, muted, up, down, down. I always use this strumming pattern when I want to play something groovy and funky. Let's do it one more time. By the way, this strumming pattern works better when you avoid open strings. And so I'm muting the 4th string when playing G major. 3, 4, down, muted, up, down, down. Down, muted, up, down, down. Listen to this pattern when I play the verse of Killing Me Softly by the Fugees. 3, 4, down, muted, up, down, down. Down, muted, up, down, down. Down, muted, up, down, down. And down, muted, up, down, down. If you reached this far, well done. You learned 5 very useful strumming patterns. Now, let me give you 3 very important tips. Number 1, don't play the same strumming pattern for the entire song, because that's boring. Number 2, always practice strumming patterns using a metronome or a drum beat. Number 3, make sure your strumming pattern highlights what's happening in the song. That means follow the dynamics and add embellishments when playing. Of course, I have a lot more to say in regards to strumming patterns, but let's stop here for now. If you'd like to learn more, let me know in the comments so that I can start planning for my next video. On my Patreon page, you can find 5 drum beats, 1 for each strumming pattern. For each one of the drum beats, you have 1 at the original tempo, which is the tempo that you're supposed to be playing those strumming patterns, and 1 slower to help you practice. Moreover, you can find the tabs for all the 5 strumming patterns I taught you today. That's all for now. If you learned something from this video and you want to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. In the comments, let me know which one of these 5 strumming patterns you like the most. And by the way, if you want to take your playing to the next level, make sure to check out my new live group course. Again, you can find the link in the description. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Ciao!